Hello friends, my name is Emma. Welcome back in our YouTube channel, Tell Me Data. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your Dazn subscription on Android and iPhone. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Method 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. At the top right of the screen will be your profile icon. Tap on it. This will open a menu. First, make sure that you have logged in from the correct Google account. Then, tap on the Payments and Subscriptions option. Next, select Subscriptions to view a list of all the active subscriptions through your account. Look for your Dazn subscription and tap on it. Now you will see the option to Cancel Subscription. Select it and follow up as directed. And you are done. Method 2. Open the Settings app of your iOS device and make sure that you are logged in from the correct Apple ID. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Next, select the Subscriptions option to display a list of all your active subscriptions. Tap on the Dazn subscription that you wanted to cancel. Finally, you can select the Cancel Subscription option for it and confirm your choice. And follow up as directed. And you are done. By using this method, you can easily cancel your Dazn membership on Android and iPhone. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.